By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this incredible indicator that has banked me a lot of money. You'll be able to have a high probability system without having to mark the charts and just allowing it to do it exactly for you. Most traders fail with indicators because they treat it like magic signals, but I'm here to tell you today that if you implement this with a strategy, you are going to pull in thousands. My name is Kalin Trades, and this breakaway system allowed me to bank $21,000 in one trade, and now my students are using it to pass Profit challenges every single day. It's crazy. So pay attention to every detail of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, so before we get into anything, you guys see this box on the top right corner where it shows the range high, range low, momentum, and entry price. So if we scroll down, we see these range highs and range lows right here. It's based off a higher time frame, and we're waiting for a breakout to occur so we can be able to enter the market. This indicator works directly off of my strategy, and it shows you exactly where to enter the market, how to get in, how to get out, how to spot reversals, and not become a part of liquidity. So if you guys go to the indicator tab, you'll see where it says Breakaway Indicator, and if you double click it, these are all the settings that I have for it. You can customize the colors for it. You can say how many fair value gaps you want to break. You can show the fair value gap life bars. You can put break even on so it tells you when to break even. You can even adjust the risk to reward so you don't just have to go for a 1-to-1. You can actually go for a 1-to-4. Then it has a lock on time frame. So if you're trading off of the 1 minute, it puts you on the 5. If you're trading on the 15 minute, it puts you on the 1 hour. And if you're trading on the 15 second like me, it puts you on the 5 minute. And then you can actually take these tables off and just make different adjustments. So I want to show you guys exactly what happens when price breaks a range line. Let's go ahead and fast forward until we get to that point. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. This is what price is doing right now. So typically you would get in on a break, but we're trying to wait for price to have a clear breakthrough so we can enter. As price is trying to shoot down, it's avoiding losing. So we finally got an entry right here for us to be able to get in. So we're going to go ahead and backtest this and see what happens as we try to get in the market. And we're just going for a solid 1-to-1. So we'll see what happens. We'll do a limit order. And again, this indicator goes directly off of my strategy. So we're in the market right here. We're going to put our stop loss right here and our take profit right here. TradingView has this weird thing that when you try to back test, it won't let you put the stop loss and take profit until it enters you in. I don't know why it does that, but we're in the market right here. Boom, TP hit. You hit TP in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. You hit TP in less than 5 minutes. Let's keep going. So price broke through this line. If you know the strategy, you would have been able to enter this trade and you would have caught a banger. All right, so we got another setup right here. Let's go ahead and enter and let's see what happens. This is directly off of the trade that we just won. We're gonna go for a 1-to-1. And again, you can actually adjust how big you want your take profit to be. You don't just have to go for a complete 1-to-1. All right, so we lost on this one, and that is okay. You're not gonna win them all. Price is done going down. So what I say is, if you know why you lost, that's how you know you're becoming a profitable trader. The reason this trade lost is because on a higher time frame, it was done pushing down. It was over it. So that's why if you take the course, you'll know how to avoid a loss like this. It's good to have the signals so you can be able to avoid having to mark the charts and stuff yourself, but you still want to be able to get the actual course and know the strategy so you can know how to avoid taking losses like this. Again, this indicator does have a 75% win rate. You're not going to win them all, and that's okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so the low got adjusted. It did not take this trade, which is really, really good. It can detect fakeouts, guys. That's why this indicator is so freaking good. It can detect fakeouts. Here we go. Here's another one right here. Another fakeout. Price told you that there was a breakout right here, and guess what happened? It just wicked up and liquidated every single thing up here. This indicator is fire. It helps people avoid taking losses. Okay, that one happened so fast that I didn't even see it happen. Price crossed the line up here. It hit this fair value gap. Boom, TP hit. Let's keep going. So as we're in this range right here, we have a very, very tight knit high and low, and we're not trading until this thing gets broken. So we finally got this low right here that was broken. We're gonna try to enter the trade right here. So we got this high and we got this low. So again, you're gonna set your limit order. You're just gonna take that price right there. We'll see what happens. Boom, TP hit. It happened so fast that I forgot to put my stop loss and take profit, but we're gonna take that win. So what happened in this trade, which is really cool, is price actually liquidated this area. So this is really almost an A+ setup because you have price that looked like it was gonna enter off the most recent fair value gap right here. It dropped down down, liquidated this area, got us in our actual gap right here, and hit our TP. And I bet if you hold it, so I was assuming that if you held it, it would have kept going down, but I guess not. It just started ranging. All right, let's go ahead and go for a few more. I just really want to show you guys how the indicator works and what you can be able to do to catch moves. So you see how the high and low is marked for you? You don't have to do anything. It's doing it for you. All right, we got another setup right here. Now, the range high line did update in the middle of this trade, and that is okay. Remember, you're gonna take limit orders. Do not do market orders. Do not do stop orders. You have to do everything correctly, exactly the way I'm telling you in this video. You have to do it. You have to do limit orders so you can get sniper entries. That is why we do limit orders. So price did hit our stop loss on this one. That's okay. We're gonna keep going. All right, so we have our high. It's trying to break through this high, but it couldn't absolutely do it. And again, it happened so fast right here that I missed it again, but it pushed down. It tapped us in a couple times on our fair value gap and ended up dropping. If you would have took that right there for a 1-to-1, you would have smoked it. This indicator is absolutely fire, guys. And again, you don't have to just go for a 1-to-1. You can go for like a 1-to-4. And if you would have went for a 1-to-4 on this trade, you would have smoked it. All right, now that I'm not moving so fast, let me try to catch this one. And the reason I'm showing GJ on this is because I want to show that even though I trade futures, it works on not just futures. It works on Forex too, and it works on options. Now, I don't know if it works on crypto, but I just want people to know it works. All right, so the stop loss got hit on that one, and that is okay. So we have a win right here, and then we got a stop right here. The reason, again, why this one lost is because price was pushing down for a very long time, and it just got done pushing down. And because we're going off of a lower time frame, you have to realize too that there's higher time frame retracements. And because there's higher time frame retracements, you can't stay in the trade for a long time. Price will never just shoot up and just stay going up. It has to retrace, and price will never just shoot down for a long time. It has to retrace. So you want to make sure that you're getting in and out of the trade before retracement. If it drops too low just like this, you would know to avoid it. Let's try to go for a few more because I really want to show just the magnitude of this amazing indicator. It has a 75% win rate. I'm going to try to fast forward it to where price is not ranging, because you don't want to trade in ranging markets. And we've done a really good job at getting the indicator to avoid ranging markets. But when Trump tweets something, when something happens in the world, price is just unpredictable. So it's cool to have the signals. It's better to have the actual strategy. Man, I want to end the video on a really good one to where price is not ranging, so that we can be able to really display what happens. We'll never trade when price looks like this. You don't ever want to trade when there's no momentum, when price is ranging for a long time, when the market is just super dry. You never want to trade in moments like that in the market. So I would say the market picked up a little bit right here. Let's try to get in and see what happens. So our range line is right here, and price, the range line is actually hiding the TP, but that's okay. So we'll put our entry right here. Again, we do limit orders. Let's try to end on a banger, guys. Let's try to end on a banger. All right. So we got our TP up here, and then we got our stop loss right here. Let's end on a banger, y'all. Let's end on a banger. Boom, TP hit. Isn't that indicator cool, y'all? If you guys are interested in this strategy at all, you can go to the link in my description or the link in my bio, and it is called the Breakaway Model course. It explains so much in detail of how I trade in the market every single day. So these are the wins that people are getting with my indicator as well. So you guys see that people are just catching straight wins. It shows the exact strategy that I showed you guys. It has approximately a 75% win rate, but people are catching crazy wins with it. And I'm just so happy that I could be able to provide something like that for people to be able to get wins, pass challenges, get funded. This person right here just got a payout. This person right here just passed their challenge. This person right here just passed their challenge. This one. I mean, people are going crazy in the community. So look, I hope this video was a blessing for you. Hey, do me a favor, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's keep the ball rolling, man. Click on one of the videos somewhere around the corner. It's going to be somewhere, and let's continue to learn and continue to follow the journey of how to be a better trader. Until next time.